Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Aisha Tariq, Filipino wife in Kashmir, Pakistan. Today is April 20 and today is Sunday. Time check, Pakistan time is 2:30 p.m. Today I'm going to share about this kind of plants. So must be you have to watch from beginning to the end so that you can know what is this kind of plants. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aking channel, paki-subscribe naman and please click the notification bell so you will be updated sa mga upload kong mga videos. And please paki ano naman, paki nood naman hanggang dulo and pati yung harang wag naman sanang skip para tulong nyo din sa akin. And sa mga hindi nag-skip ng mga harangs o kaya ads, ganun din ang gagawin ko sa nanonood sa akin. And please leave a comment in YouTube section. Yun lang, and thank you for watching. Do you know this kind of vegetables? These are coming out every year during spring and summer season. So I already get this one. I get from down because so many this kind of leaves, and this is good also to cook. So I will cook this one, and you can watch how I cook this kind of leaves. So when become this kind of uh, plants, there was flowers. It's violet colors. So you can get this kind of leaves, yung ah, hindi masyado matigas, yung maliliit, yan ganyan. Yan. By this spring or summer, so many coming out this kind of leaves. And in our village, they used to cook this one with partner with chapatis. So I will cook also every year. I cook also this kind of vegetables. Yan, ang dami. This one is not good because it's already big, the leaves. So this is not good, so this is good. Yan, ito yung mga kinuha ko sa baba. Yan. Yan, malalaki na ito. Now I have to boil this one 2 to 3 minutes. Of course, you have to wash this one 2 to 3 times. And must be clean water. And this juice, where you boil this kind of leaves, you can drink this one. And this is good for who are, I think, diabetic or who have this blood sugar, high blood sugar. So you can drink this one, but must be you have to wash well. And same you are cooking this ampalaya leaves or bitter gourd leaves. After boiling this one 2 to 3 minutes, and then you have to squeeze this one. So while boiling this vegetables, now we have to saute now these onions, like this you cut onions. Now we have to put now these onions because oil is already hot. And now we have to turn off now the flame because this is already boiled more than already to 3 minutes. So we have to turn off now the flame, and then we have to remove water, and we have to wash this one in running water, and we have to squeeze it. So we have to saute now onions, These onions must be not too much brown, just only fry in just only 1 minute. And only tomatoes, optional. If you can put also tomatoes, you can put also and garlic, so no need for me to put garlic. Only onion and tomatoes. And this one, salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. I already removed the water, hot water. Now we have to wash this one in cold water so it will become cold, and we have to squeeze this one. Now we can put now these tomatoes. No need to brown these onions. Now we can put this salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. And this one is already squeezed leaves. Ayan. Now we can put now also this one, squeeze leaves. And then we have to cook this one until cook. But this already cooked, these leaves, because I boiled this one 2 to 3 minutes. So we have to cook this one until it will become dry. You see there is still sauce. Yan, so must be dry this one. And we have to cook this one in low flame. And then we have to cover it. If there is China salt or Ajinomoto or Vicin, we can put also, but I don't have, or magic sarap para mawala-wala yung pait. Pero uh, this is not too much bitter. Bitter gourd, what you call this? This bitter gourd, yung ampalaya ay mas mapait pa yung ano, yung leaves niya, yung dahon. Compare this one. Cooking now also chapatis. Now this one we have to check now. I think this is already cooked. Yan. So we have to turn off now the flame. This kind of leaves or sauteed, these leaves is good for chapatis, especially who have diabetes. These are plants of dandelion, and these are leaves of dandelion. There are two kinds flowers of dandelion plants. One is a yellow color, and as you compare the leaves, it's similar to this another kind of dandelion. And this belongs to violet color, but still color is still not come out. This is late to come. I think next month it will be flowers come out. But this very nice color, violet color. And this is advance ito na mag ano flowers. And both you can cook this one. These two kinds of flowers of dandelion leaves. But I never tried to cook this one. This one every year I cook this kind of dandelion leaves. You can eat also fresh, but much better you have to cook it same I cook procedure or version, so it more good for our health. You can serve also salad, but must be you have to boil it, and must be you have to choice the small leaves, yung mga ano ba yung hindi matigas. And then you can mix also with cubes, onions, tomatoes, then add seasoning salt or anchovies sauce or bagoong sauce or isda. Yung yung patis, sorry. And so these are the benefits of dandelion cook green leafy vegetables. Number one, cooking or cook dandelion green leaves can enhance nutritional value and make more palatable, improve digestion, potential blood sugar regulation, and immune system. They are also food source of vitamin C and K. And for more knowledge to know, you can Google it. What is more benefits of this dandelion leaves? And number two, controlled blood sugar, lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, lower blood sugar. And this is very good also taste, and this you can serve also as side dish. You can eat with rice or chapatis. So it's more good if you eat with chapatis. For those who are diabetic person, they can eat also this one, and this good for their health to lower their blood sugar. Also, the good benefits of this cooked dandelion leaves is lower blood pressure. So this is good for me because I have blood pressure, but I used to eat my maintenance every day. And also, I think these flowers you can serve also this one. You can prepare also as tea, or I think you have to dry these flowers, yellow flowers or violet color of these dandelion plants. So for more information, you can Google it if can be eaten these flowers. But before I watched in YouTube, someone shared that these flowers of dandelion leaves can be eaten also. Ito na yung salted dandelion leaves from field to table with chapatis. Ayan, bagong luto. Mausok pa. Ayan. Let's eat lunch, everyone. Ito na yung aking niloto na sauteed dandelion leaves with chapati. I will eat only one chapati. So we start now to eat. If what is taste of this sauteed dandelion leaves. Bismillah wala barakatillah. Sarap. Yummy, yummy. It's not bitter. Its taste is sweet. They call it here in village hand. And this kind of vegetable, no need to plant this one. It can be come out during spring and summer season, especially this spring season now. Hmm. They said mapait, but not bitter.